Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for access to hundreds of games across multiple platforms, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console or open the Xbox app on your PC or mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Step 2. Sign into your Xbox account using your Microsoft credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Navigate to the Xbox Store by selecting the store icon from the main menu or by searching for Game Pass in the search bar. Step 4. Locate Xbox Game Pass Ultimate in the store. It's typically featured prominently on the homepage or under the Game Pass section. Step 5. Select Join or Subscribe to begin the subscription process. Review the pricing and any available promotional offers for new subscribers. Step 6. Choose your payment method by adding a credit card, debit card, PayPal account, or redeeming a Game Pass code if you have one. Step 7. Confirm your subscription purchase. Your payment method will be charged immediately or after any free trial period ends. Step 8. Once activated, browse the Game Pass library by selecting Game Pass from the main menu. Download and install any games you want to play. Cloud gaming features are also available through the Xbox app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.